I'm Ami James, and I'm a tattoo artist. New York is the greatest city in the world, and to compete here, you have to elevate the game. So I've handpicked the finest tattoo artists around, because I don't want the best shop in New York, I want the best shop in the world.
I'm back, back in the New York groove. I'm back, back in the New York groove. I'm back, back in the New York groove.
There are millions of stories in New York City, and our job is to tell them all in ink.
What can I do for you, darling?
My name's Minnie, and I'm here for Ami. I'm a burlesque performer in New York City.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. I'm Minnie, and this is my tattoo.
Two shishis, huh?
Mm-hmm. The traditional gray scale kind of background, and then the two of them really brightly colored.
And it's going
On my arm.
maybe one down and one up, kind of?
Yeah, that would work. That would work.
Let me work on a sketch or two.
Okay.
And then I'll come up with something nice.
Thank you very much. Thanks.
My pleasure. Minnie came into the shop today with a really, really cool request. These food dogs are called shishis, which usually stand in front of a temple or anything that you want to protect, and they're really fun to do. I'm gonna knock this one out. I think that's it.
I like them.
Perfect. So, what do you do?
I'm a burlesque performer.
A burlesque performer.
I am a burlesque performer.
How does a burlesque dancer end up with two food dogs on the arm? Explain that to me.
Well, I've kind of been a little bit of everywhere in my life, and in college, I got an opportunity to go and teach English in Fuzhou, China. Before I left, I was presented with two food dogs, and they turn into my little good luck charms. Every time before I go to a show or I go out to something special where I need to be on my game, I always rub them, and they'll be my protectors. So hopefully protecting me from any lewd customers or any major wardrobe malfunctions that might happen.
If you have a shtick, what's your shtick?
I sing and I strip. That's my shtick. Burlesque is a live performance art. Sometimes your performance goes perfectly. Sometimes the stage breaks. You break a lamp on stage above your head. It's all crazy, but that's really what it's all about.
How do your parents feel about all this?
We don't talk about it. I'm from a small town in western Pennsylvania I like to call Amishville, USA. We don't talk about sex. We don't talk about anything that's not PG in my household. Thank God I got the opportunity to travel to China and kind of see the rest of the world and see that I really don't want to spend more time than I have to in this town. China really did change my life, and it was over there that I decided that I can't live the way the rest of my family does. When all I do is want to see the world, and I want to leave my mark on the world. I've done the responsible thing for the better part of my life, and then finally I was like, you know, I just want to be happy. I want to do something that's fun, something that's creative, something that's me, and something that makes other people happy when they see me perform.
Very nice,
Yes.
very nice.
Very happy with who I am, where I've ended up, and what I'm doing.
All right, let's go check it out.
Oh my God, that looks so awesome. It's exactly what I wanted. That's my kids right there. It's my students. It's so awesome. These food dogs really do symbolize the beginning of my journey to being an adult, to being my own person. When I went to China, I realized that the world is huge and you can't sit back and let it just play out. And this is just a constant reminder of that every day.
Come by for your next one.
I will. Thank you, sir.
All right, darling.
Good night.
Take care. Bye-bye.
Bye.